Hey everyone, hope you are well. I got a few queries on how do we define a zero waste enthusiast. I will try to share my understanding on the subject matter through a few examples. Let me know in the comment section on your views and share your examples as well. In my opinion, being a zero waste enthusiast is a way of life. It is not particularly restricted to wasting food, to not wasting food or clothing or electricity. Rather, it forms your very self-being. A zero waste enthusiast is not about saving money or being petty with money, which is generally the prevalent opinion. I will rather go to the extent of saying that it is not about money at all in the first place. It is about getting a bang for your buck. It is about being more efficient with your resources. It is about thinking deeply on the value add in the long run. Being a zero waste enthusiast is also different from being a minimalist. For instance, a minimalist might have a single pair of shoes which fits every occasion and every event. That is one set of general shoes for your work, gym and personal occasions. A zero waste enthusiast might have a pair for each occasion, but a more extravagant person might have 2 to 3 pairs or maybe even more for each occasion. Similarly, to give you another example, a minimalist might use a very simple phone which solves the basic necessities or requirements of calling and messaging that you have from a phone. A zero waste enthusiast might have a very good phone which he or she may choose to use for several years unless rendered functionally obsolete. The word to notice here is functionally obsolete and not out of fashion. But a more extravagant person might change phones as soon as the new model kicks in. If any of you relate with this video, I would like to have a few weird examples from your side as well. I would like to know a few of your quirks and idiosyncrasies as a zero waste enthusiast. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.